This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Can you walk me through your day-to-day on how much automation you're doing versus manual, and how much do you interact with your team?
Sure, that's a great question. I would like to reference for my the initial question. Tell me about yourself. In the beginning of our project, I have been focusing all the manual testing and the API automation testing. Fortunately, as I said, I have been working 3 features. Each of the feature I have been focusing on the API, functional, regression, the positive, negative, smoke, sanity testing. And I have designed all the API testing accordingly on my Postman. And I have actually shared with my team, because I have shared my collection with the developer, DevOps engineer, product owner, senior engineer. What are the benefits? So I have designed everything else. They actually run the regression on their computer as they need it, so that the developer does not reach out to me to actually hey, Shiblu, can you run this code? He doesn't need to. I design everything, I gave to him. So these are the team collaboration I have been doing. In the beginning, the new user story, I am focusing 100% manual testing API backend. And the API, existing user story, as I said, I have designed the very details, the functional, positive, negative, and the regression. We run the fully automation. So you can say 70% backend fully automation through the Postman, and 30% my functional testing. And this functional testing becomes the automation testing in 2 weeks release, because this functional become the regression for me, because the new functionality always manual testing, existing functionality always automation testing through our regression. And we use the GitHub to store my code and the CI/CD Jenkins to run my code. And I have also done that part, the full integration, with the help of our DevOps engineer. Our DevOps engineer actually own the entire infrastructure, including the Git and Jenkins.
Amazing. I think you're doing a great job in your current role.
Thank you.